Hello, today is the 26th day of February 2018. This video will be a look at the United States crude oil index. And it is priced right now at $64. And everything you do is within your own risk, own reward. I am not taking any risks, thus not getting any rewards on any type of crude oil trades. After all, I figure if I were to buy it, where am I going to put it? Because I know where I put my gold and silver. And as far as cryptocurrencies, I know where I put them. Both cryptocurrencies and precious metals are very tangible. You can hold them both. And if you don't think that cryptos are tangible, when you work with hardware wallets for decent amounts of times, they are very tangible. All right then. I have a line here at $53.99. It was an area that was not resistance and it was barely support, thus not that eventful at all, at least not over the last half year or close to such. Recent action after having a nice uptrend of several higher lows, it managed to still make a higher low over here, but have decent room priced below the 18 average, or like the stock market, having like decent moves down, falling from 64 down to about 58 in 3 sessions. It then since rallied up to this 18 average, consolidating within such for a while, now 2 days breaking out above it. 18 average starting to rise higher, so short term it's looking as if it's near the 61.8% Fibonacci level, and yes, this is a Fibonacci number, and all of the numbers are magnificently huge as we take a look at more time frames, because on the 3-day chart we will see that 54 is a big level. There it is. This is major resistance at the start of the year 2017. And it broke above it, and it did so, of course, when we issued that last chart that I showed, and it just rose decently higher. That's normal. When you finally take out a clear break of a level, then that's what's going to happen. Let's take a look at this next on a weekly chart. And here we have a $29.05 level that just happened to hit. Okay, so be it, I guess. There's more numbers. There's only one more, I think. So let's go to the monthly chart. And that one more number is $79.23. That would be the next up target. And I think there's a decent chance it's going to probably make it within the next 2 to 6 periods, or we'll say within the year. I think there's a good chance, especially because, as I've been talking about, the dollar index probably going to have a down year. That's going to help the cause. You can make a case that it's like an inverted head and shoulders kind of pattern, but it's at the neckline here. Well, technically speaking, this major level here, which is resistance, coming back, finding support, very much a bullish pattern. Short-term support is obviously the 54 handle now. So therefore, I would expect that if it goes down next to this level, it would probably find support, then later make it a move up to the 79 level, or it may not even go down there and in time make it up towards that point. Let's take a look next at the quarterly chart. And the levels we can see are from the lows at the end of the millennium at only around $10 and change, and the 2008 highs close to 150. So therefore, the $29.05 level is a 61.8% down correction, which could make you think back in here, well, hey, what happened with Fib here? It only once gave me accurate description because it didn't find support here, which is fine. So fast move to the next level. Well, that's not even a pierce above, really. That's no. Failed move down, fast move higher. Well, it didn't go to previous high. No. I mean, the only way it worked out is that once it got by it, I mean, it had a little bit of resistance short term, okay, and then it broke with a big candle to the next level. Okay, that's normal for Fib. However, in time, we can see that the 61.8% level did come into play. So this mark is the 38.2% down correction. This is the 23.6%. And that is how the Fibonacci numbers are in place. If you are curious about the upside Fibonacci level, if the market ever does have a break above the 145 handle, that number is coming in at around $400. Thank you for tuning into this video, and have yourself a magnificent day. Bye-bye.